The healthcare provider prescribes a continuous infusion of zero point 0.9 sodium chloride with pancuronium or Pavilon, 25 milligrams per 250 milliliters at a rate of 0.1 milligram per kilogram per hour for a client with coronary artery bypass grafting. The client weighs 78 kilograms. The nurse should program the infusion pump to deliver how many milliliters per hour? So, our answer we are looking for is milliliters per hour. That guides us to what we're writing. Okay? So, basically, if I've got 0.1 milligrams per kilogram, and remember when you have that double slash like that, you just take the last two and multiply them together in the denominator. Okay?
Okay.
And so now that's 0.1 milligram. Now that's how much medicine I'm doing. But I need to know it's a certain amount of medicine per unit of volume. Okay? So that's my order, and I'm going to divide that by what I have. Now what I got is 25 milligrams in 250 milliliters. Well, if I divide by this, I multiply by the reciprocal. Okay? So that is multiplied by 250 milliliters over 25 milligrams. Okay? You see it? Yeah.
Sorry, could you put that up there? I was gonna write that down.
Oh, okay. I'm actually recording it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I decided to record it, so yeah, it'll be there.
Okay.
Okay, but for your sake,
Thank you.
there it goes. You're welcome. And let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay, so I take this, and then I need to divide it by a weight, because I'm giving a certain amount of medicine, okay, per hour. And I'm putting it, I need to divide it by the weight. So that fraction is 0.1 over 25 milligrams. And I need to multiply it by the weight. Okay? You see that?
Okay. I'm trying to see. I'm just trying to. So you're not cross multiplying right now. You're not doing any of that.
No, I'm just using what's in the formula.
I got you. Okay.
Oh, I mean in a problem. And so now we are able. Now we're able to do that. And that is not supposed to. I'm so sorry. That's supposed to be not divided by. That's supposed to be multiplied by 78 kilograms. Okay.
Right. Okay.
So the fraction is really, if you want to analyze it, it's really I'm taking 0.1 milligram for every kilogram I have. Okay? And
Okay.
so if I have a 78 kilograms, if I divide this 78 times, for each one of these little slices, I'm giving that red amount is 0.1 milligram. And I'm giving one of these every hour. That's what's happening. Okay?
Okay.
So, I don't want to give 25 milligrams, which is going to be in 250 milliliters. So what I need to do is multiply that fraction. Well, that 0.1 milligrams for every 78 kilograms, I need to divide that by the amount of that I'm given. I'm given a fraction of that amount. So I'm not giving the whole amount, which is 25 milligrams. I'm giving 0.1 milligram. So this is the fraction that I'm giving. You see what I'm saying? And so, I'm sorry, what'd you say?
I do. I understand what you're saying.
Okay, so if I'm giving that fraction, then I'm going to give that fraction of the liquid that it's in. I'm not giving the whole 225, I'm giving the fraction, which is 0.1 over 25. And I'm multiplying that fraction by the amount of liquid. So that's kind of like why everything is set up the way it is. Okay? You don't have to remember that, all that I just did. It just helps you to kind of understand why the numbers are the way they are.
Okay.
Okay, so getting back to this, it's just multiplying everything out. Okay, so we cancel this out. We cancel, we need the milliliters, that's going to stay. We cancel milligrams. And we're left with what they asked for. Milliliters per hour. Okay? And that's it. So you can tell me what that answer is.
Okay, let me, I gotta put it in.
Okay.
Okay, so I got 78 milliliters per hour.
That's 250 right here. Oh, that's 10.
Yeah.
That's going to be
Okay.
1. Yep, you're right.
That is right?
Yes, because see, this is 0.1 times this thing right here is 10. So 0.1 times 10 is 1. And 1 times
Yeah, that's right.
1 times 78 is 78.
Yeah, that's right.
And that's the answer.